topic: whiteboard animation by using PPT, PowerPoint presentation. See here, I have a small demo for you where you can use PPT instead of another softwares like VideoScribe, and there are various softwares n number of softwares you can use, but they are all chargeable. At after certain limit, they are charging. And I'll say for the beginners who are getting started with PPT. This is a small example I've shown you. I generally prefer for my videos. This is the hand gesture by handwriting. Okay, if you feel like using this, you are free to use. It is free for free. And then here small Ramana famous epic, you can see exactly what I've done. Automatically it is getting like this. Then comes here this. Here you can see anatomy. I have lectures for this. And then animation. You need to take text from here, and I've written all this text very simple. You might know this exactly. After that, I'll take one hand gesture, hand out here. Okay, these things are there. Now first I'll this text I'll go to the animation section, where I need to take one option where it would be white, like writing it will come. Then I'll put it from left hand side so that it is like I'm writing. Okay, and again after doing this, again I'll go motion of the hand, how it will move. It will move like drawing freedom, or like this or this. I'll take this. So like this. Then click on escape button. Okay, select, and then after this you can check it out what exactly it is. I'll click enter button, and then it is like while clicking both this, they are working differently at different time. You need to go to record section out here. After clicking animation here, you need to go to record section here. Okay, now see here 1 and 2 both are having click timing. You will see on click, and again here also it is showing click. For that reason you need to put this with this previous text plus picture should come together, and cut this, then see the demo. Now again the text is coming first, and then so you need to see to it text is coming, then you need to put fast or else fast. Save it, then again check it out. See, again this is fast, and here you should take it back. Like, see, it is some of the okay. Now you can adjust if you want to make it very fast, means the time is very fast of both this. It should work like this, then you can put it in this and see. Again, if you want to make it medium, you can change into medium, both this medium. Again, check this out. Okay, let's see. Okay, a little faster it is, but it's okay, and you can explore it out. Whenever you do it more and more, you work on it, and you will be have a perfection in this. And next is this I've taken as a hand gesture to move your hand in writing. Secondly, I'll take, for an example, I've taken this and then remove the background view here. This is the picture format section. You can do and you can explore here. Once I've done this, remove background. This you can do formatting. Okay. Again, you can crop it out here. What I do. Again, after this, you can take your hand gesture out here. Okay, you can filter this out like okay, like this. Sketch here. Then again, I'll go to animation. Put this as in white, that is from up. Here you see from top. Okay, and this move this, draw line, redraw, and like this. Escape button. Okay, now I'll put this back to the here. Okay, and the timing should be with previous, medium, and here it should be medium. Both are medium. It should work fine. Now it is, see that it works. Okay, and then you need to put this like it should appear. Wipe in from or fly in. I'll take fly in. line from top left, top right, top right I'll take. Okay, and put it into first position. Again this line top right. Okay, and this, and this I'll put it in the sense after previous. Okay, after previous. Here would come after previous. And our hand image is not getting erased. So first I'll make it disappear or dissolve and put it in before this, and this also dissolve. Okay, dissolve. After this dissolve, on click you will be dissolving. After this, after this, same way this I've taken this erase for erasing whatever content you have to. I've clicked the photo from on my camera and with the duster here, and then try to erase this by using this and the exit effect. So you can see it and you can explore it if you wish to see more of it and make more of a video of it. But till now whatever I've done, I'll show you the exactly. Once I click on the enter button, this would work like this and it is getting erased. Okay, so thank you my friends. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and let me know and comment on below section. Okay.